One of the great things about WordPress is that if you don't like the way your website looks, you can easily change it by changing the theme. Let's find out how.
What's up, people? Todd Wilson here with WebMoDev Studios. Now we're in the WordPress dashboard and we're going to go to Appearance and then Themes. And as you can see, what's active, 2017 theme. And let's have a look and see how this makes the website appear. So we're going to go up to Visit Site. And there you have, this is the Vault theme that is installed with every WordPress installation. It's actually not bad, but this might not actually be what you want for your website. And we're going to go back to the dashboard and select Appearance, Themes. And you can see by default you've got some themes that are installed, 2015, 2016. The bridal theme is something I put in, but usually you see the first three. But if you want to put something new, you can go to Add Themes, and it'll take you to WordPress.org, and you have your choice of many different themes that are free that you can install. Just for demonstration's sake, we're going to stick with this Bestore, and we're going to have a quick look at it. And you can see that it, with the live preview, you've got a totally different feel from the original 2017 default theme. And of course, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of what you see in the preview, but it'll allow you to customize it. So what we're going to do is we're going to select Install. Now that it's installed, we have to activate the theme so that it will supersede the default theme of 2017. As you can see, Bestore is active. Now we're going to visit the site and see how it changes our WordPress website. And there you have it. Totally different setup. And as you can see, this is Bestore theme by Themes for WordPress. So you can totally change your website by installing a different theme, and all you need is a few clicks and you can have a totally different feel, flavor for your website, and then from there you can customize it. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe.